Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here is the biggest opportunity for all the female candidates, and this program is DE Shah Ascent Educate Program and Edition 4. So in this program you will get a 6 months internship with a stipend of 50,000 per month. So when we talk about its eligibility, it is open for all the women students and who are enrolled in a full-time course. So they can be from the second year or third year student from the BE BTech program. It means you should be passing out in the year 2026 and 2027. So the students, women students from the 2026 and 2027 are eligible for these program, and or third year or fourth year students in a 5-year dual degree program, which can be of BTech, MTech or BE plus ME. And here are also first year from the 2-year MTech course or MCA program, and second year students in the third year of MCA program. So all the students are eligible, and only women students are eligible to enroll in this DE Shah Ascent Educate program. So here it is a 6 months internship program, and this will be conducted virtually, and it is a company of the finance and technology. So before getting into this application process, we shall see what are its criteria and how the hiring process will go on. So initially the DE Shah, they will shortlist the resumes or shortlist your profile. Then they will provide you the hacker rank test link. So this will be happening in within 3 to 4 weeks. So then you will get a HackerRank test link to your mail, and in that HackerRank test, you will be having 3 DSA problems. Those are data structure algorithm problems, and those 3 DSA problems will be from medium level. And along with these DSA problems, you will also be getting 10 MCQs which are based on the computer science fundamentals. So nothing but you will be having some concepts like DBMS, operating system, OOPS or DS, some questions on the DSE, or mathematics like permutations and combinations, statistics and probability. So 10 MCQs will be based on the CS fundamentals, and the DSA problems will be from medium level. And once the test link is completed, they will shortlist the top candidates, and they will conduct the technical interview. So you should be perfect with the DSA problems. You have to attempt all the 3 DSA problems, and also the 10 MCQs. You have to make all the 10 MCQs are correct, and then you will be shortlisted from these HackerRank testing. And the third is the technical interview. So in technical interview also they will ask you some 1 to 2 DSA problems. So that will not be so tough, it will be very easy. So this they will ask you to write the logic or tell the logic, and some basics questions will also be on the uh, CS fundamentals like OOPS, and they will also ask you the projects which you have done previously. So DSA will not be so tough, it will be very just the basics of the DSA questions will be asked, like about the stack or about the linked list and many more. Next, once the technical interview is completed, then you will be go with the interpersonal interview. That is where you will have where you will be they will see your skills or the hackathons or the whatever the opportunities you have done so far. So just they will concentrate on your interpersonal skills. So this is completely a 6 months internship program, and you can be from the any college, from the any branch. So previously they have also seen the computer science student. They have selected only the students from the computer science branch, but this time it is open for all the branch. You can be from the any branch, and once the hacker rank test link is completed, the next 2 levels, those are technical interview and the interpersonal interview, will be very easy. So you just have to clear the second round, that is the hacker rank test. Now when we talk the here application process, so you have to fill the application form, and they didn't mention the closing date, so apply as soon as possible. So here you have to give the first name, then last name, then the next the college mail ID and personal mail ID, and next phone number. And if you have the LinkedIn profile, also mention here. So and then when we come talk about the educational background, you have to give the university here, and then next the college, then degree and the stream or the measure, and next year of graduation in which you will be in which year you will be graduated, and you have to select your current state as of October, and then correct semester also. Next, the latest cumulative of the, you have to mention your CGPA, and you should also mention your class 12 score and 10th score. And next, other achievements, you can also mention your entrance exams which you have participated, like JEE Mains rank you can mention here, and JEE Advanced rank and BITSAT rank. And if you also want to share any other entrance exams, you can also keep here as, and you can uh, give the name of your exam and then rank, and you can mention it, everything here. So everything you have to mention it very detailedly, because they will see your background, your education, your achievements, your projects and everything, then they will shortlist you. So next, the if you have the national and the international Olympiads, like you can mention your NTSC rank or the score, or KVPY, and then you can show, you have to get the competitive programming. So if you have the code chef profile and code chef rating and core forces profile, all this you have to give. If you have, give, otherwise you can just leave it. And you can also any personal achievements you have done in the field of the computer science, like if you have done any projects or the competitive coding part, in any competitive challenges or coding challenges you have participated, then you can share your experience here. You can also provide the documents or the project files and everything. And next, you can also highlight the extracurricular activities. If you have done any extracurricular activities in your schooling or in a college days, you can also mention it here. So have a brief for these two questions, you have to give the brief description, so then you will be shortlisted. And then documents, when we talk about the documents, first you have to give your resume here, and then also you have to give the college ID. Next, latest college mark sheet, and then how did you learn about this program, so you can also you mention it here. And also keep your hair that you are a woman candidate who is eligible for this program, and check the eligibility criteria and then keep on else. So then click on submit. So this is about the DE Shah Ascent Educare program. It is a biggest opportunity for all the female candidates, where you will be getting a 6 months mentorship program, and this company is also presented in the Hyderabad. So don't miss this opportunity and share it with your friends, and if you like my content, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.